Thanks for tuning into this video. Today I've got another beard oil to tell you all about. This one I picked up on a recent trip to Target. It's Cremo's Forest Blend Beard Oil. I was drawn to this beard oil because of its forest scent. So I was expecting fir trees and cedar shavings. And it turns out it's exactly what I expected. It reminds me of walking through a Christmas tree farm, but not in an overpowering, obnoxious way. It's a good scent that isn't so strong that it's overpowering. It kind of makes me want to chop wood. This particular product has a good blend of oils. It's sunflower oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, and argan oil. And it has spruce, cedar, and rosemary essential oils for the scent. With that oil blend, this is a good all-around beard oil that would be beneficial to anyone with any skin or hair conditions, from dry brittle beard to beard rough to irritated skin. The product itself is light and is easily worked into my beard and skin. I was surprised that this one didn't leave any oily residue on my hands after using it. Maybe my beard was just really thirsty and absorbed it all, leaving nothing. So this is a 1 fluid ounce bottle, and it was a very cheap $6.99. So that's definitely hitting that lower price per ounce price point. So with that price in mind, I think it's definitely a good buy, especially if you like forest scents and wear a lot of flannel. So that's my review of Cremo's Forest Blend Beard Oil. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more beard product reviews every week. See you next time.